proof that you can make $30 in just 30 seconds with this free app. Do you want a quick way to make money online? If that's the case, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you a strategy that will allow you to earn money through pure passive income. If you want to know how, then watch this video to the end and follow all of the steps. Now, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then turn on the notifications and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so today's strategy, guys, involves a site here called paydira.com. I reckon most of you have never heard about this platform before, so let me explain real quick what it is. Paydira is a site where you can make money online by completing various tasks, like surveys, quizzes, and such. As you can see, it says here, turn your time into money. Now, before we go on, I want to make something clear. We will not be making money by completing surveys, quizzes, and whatnot. We use this site to make money in a completely different way, and a way that'll also pay us way more money. With that out of the way, if you scroll down, you'll see that they provide unlimited tasks for you to make money online. So Paydira isn't like some other make money online websites where you complete a few surveys, play a few games, and you're out of things to do. Moreover, if you come over to sitejabber.com, you'll be able to see that Paydira has a rating of 4.8 stars, with nearly 700 reviews. This is arguably one of the best make money online sites today, and one of the most legit ones as well, which is hugely important for us, and you will see why soon enough. Anyways, back on Paydira, down here, you can see what specific tasks we are talking about that you can complete to make money. You can sign up to other websites, complete surveys, upload videos, invite friends, and write articles about them. So as you can see, they have quite a bit of different ways for you to make money. You can also see that this website has nearly 1 million members and has delivered 1.5 million payments. Bear in mind that some of those payments may contain up to hundreds of dollars, so they've given away quite a bit of money most definitely. With all that said, you can come on the site and read more about it, but I won't go over it anymore because I want to show you what you actually have to do when you come out here, which is to sign up and create an account. You will do just that by clicking Create an Account right up here. On the next page, you will need to enter in your first and last names, create a username, enter in your email address, create a password and confirm it, and finally click on Sign Up and Create My Account right here. Once you do all of this, what you need to do is come over to your Gmail account and open up a message like this from Paydira and click on this link to confirm that the email address you entered actually belongs to you. With that done, I will now log into my own account so I can show you everything. Okay, so I've just logged into my account, guys. This is what you'll see when you do as well. And by the way, you get paid 50 cents for just creating an account, which is very nice, of course. On the left-hand side here, you'll be able to see all of the things you can do to make money with this site, from creating videos to completing surveys. But like I said, we will not be making money in this fashion. You can of course do so to make a few extra bucks, but that won't be our main source of income at all. What will be our main source of income is Paydira's referral system. And right here, you can see our referral link. Now check this out. You get paid $3 per 1,000 clicks. Note, it says clicks, not signups or purchases. People just need to click your link. This fact makes it much more easier to make money with this website referring people. On other websites, when you refer people for you to make money, they generally need to purchase something or sign up at the very least, which is simply not the case here. Now, I'll show you a way to generate traffic that will not get you just a few hundred clicks, but thousands of them at the very least, so you can make hundreds of dollars daily on complete autopilot. And the traffic source we will use, guys, is called findaforum.net. As the name suggests on here, you can find various forums relating to just about anything. If you click on categories, you can see what types of forums you can find. And they include computers and internet, dieting and weight loss, bodybuilding, cooking, making money online, pets, travel, relationships, vehicles and sports. And these things are actually only a handful of categories this website has to offer. By clicking on Browse all these categories, you will be able to see all of them, and there are a lot of them as you can see. However, as some of you know, we are promoting Paydera, which is a make money online website. And so what you need to do is click on Categories here and select Make Money Online. This will now show you forums that literally have hundreds of thousands of members, and all of them combined possibly have up to 1 million and more. This forum I opened up has over 350,000 members alone, so you can see just how much potential this has. And the best part is that all of those people want to make money online, and so we know for a fact they would be interested in a platform like Paydera. Furthermore, the amazing reviews Paydera has will also motivate the people further to try it out, since they know for a fact, thanks to the reviews, that it's a legitimate platform and not a scam, as so many others are. And this is how you'll be able to maximize your earnings. Anyways, to access a forum, all you need to do is open any one of these, and then find the link of the forum, which will be located somewhere around here. When you open up a forum like this one here, for example, just create an account real quick. But once you do not start sharing your affiliate link immediately, guys. You should try talking to the people first, provide some value, and only after a certain amount of time has passed will you tell them about Paydera and send them that referral link of yours. You will simply repeat this process for all the other forums, and I can guarantee you, you'll start getting clicks very fast from there. Now, an alternative to this site is called adclerks.com. This website allows you to advertise on various websites for a very small amount of money. So yes, it does require you to invest some money, but it is a far more effective method compared to the previous one. What you need to do first is click on all categories here. And since we are looking for people who will be interested in making money online, you want to select the affiliate and SEO and business niches respectively. And check this out. This site here has 1.1 million impressions. And for advertising ourselves for a month, we just need to invest $15. Which, let's face it, is very low. And since millions of people visit the website, 100,000 of them clicking on our link, which is just 10% by the way, would already earn us $300, which is 20 times more than what we would have to invest into this site. So as you can see, the amount of money we have to invest is crazy small compared to the amount of money we can earn. And this also works on autopilot. You just pay the site to advertise you and sit back while making money in the process. Regardless of how you want to do it, whether with Find a Forum or this website, you will be able to earn a very decent amount of money with ease and no skills required, as you have seen. Anyways, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it, if you are enjoying my content, then be sure to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss on any future videos, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you.